1.
Look for or make a computer.
2.
In
Sims 4 Studio.
create 3D mesh. Object. Search for computer. Pick one. Export mesh.
3.
Import it in. Make it fit. Remove what you don't need. Make the screen fit. Make the mouse fit. Hide anything you won't see.
4.
Click computer. Then your computer. Weight paint. Transfer weights. On the OG computer, press Tab. A. X. Vertices. Click your model. Then the sim one. Join them. Move the UVs if you need to. UV. Click Export UVs. Fix your textures. Save them as 256.
5.
Save the Blender file. Import on every LOD. Delete the vertices on the shadow layer. Merge all meshes. Delete the bind mouse. Save. Import on every shadow LOD. Customize. Now, test it. Ooh la la, the world's our oyster. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.